Every time we delete any file or folder from the PC, it goes to the recycle bin and you can restore those files whenever you want. We often forget about emptying the recycle bin and it starts occupying too much space. We can empty the recycle bin automatically while signing out or shutting down. Remember that you need to be logged into your PC as the administrator to use these methods. Use a batch file to empty recycle bin. You can empty the recycle bin automatically by creating a PowerShell script in a text document format. This script will delete all the items from the recycle bin when you turn off your PC. Create a batch file. Open the folder where you want to create the batch file. Right-click and select New and select Text Document or open any text editor to create a new text file. Enter a name for the file. It will create a text document. Open the file. Enter this shell command in the file. Save the file. Change txt file to a batch file. If you don't see the file extension .txt, click on View and select Show and check View File Name Extensions. Right-click on the file and select Rename. Replace the .txt to .bat. Press Enter. Click on S to continue. Now every time you run this batch file, it will empty the recycle bin. To test if it is working, make sure you have deleted files in your recycle bin and double-click on the new batch file. If the files in the recycle bin are deleted, it means the script is working. You can see the recycle bin is empty now. You have to open the file every time you want to empty the recycle bin. Empty recycle bin automatically during shutdown using Group Policy Editor. This is a fully automated method to empty the recycle bin when you shut down or sign out of the PC. Press Windows and R keys to open the Run command. Enter gpedit.msc and click on OK or press Enter. Group Policy Editor opens. In User Configuration, select Windows Settings. Click on Scripts, Log On, Log Off. Right-click on Log Off and click on Properties. Click on Add. Browse and add the Windows batch file we created in the above method. There is no need to provide additional script parameters because they are already defined in the command. Click on Apply and then on OK. Now this script is set to run automatically whenever you shut down the PC. The recycle bin will automatically be emptied when you shut down the PC. Make sure there are some deleted files in the recycle bin. Shut down or sign out to verify it works. For any reason you decide not to empty the recycle bin, when you shut down, remove the batch file in the Group Policy Editor. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.